Hi guys, it's Dan, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with an InLoveArt design team project share, and I am super excited to show you what I put together. We are doing Halloween and Christmas today. So I'm going to show you the dies that I am showcasing today, and let's get started. So we have these two fun mirroring gate dies, and it is the perfect addition to a card base. I love the spooky elements in it. We've got all of the boxes, the cobweb, the hanging spider, the jack-o'-lantern, and the skulls, and the bat in the back. Such a fun piece. We have this ornate die here, and I love this die so much. The spider web and then the pumpkins. It's such a pretty, and it cut so amazing off glitter cardstock. We also have this spooky drip lettering for Halloween, and I thought it was so perfect. We also have these fun little elements. We have this kind of like a spooky scenery and this house. You have the kind of the layering fences and like field if you wanted to. We also have this, I think every spider web is needed in a Halloween stash. We have this little ghosty that is going shopping or trick-or-treating. But he's such a little cutie. I love all the details on this. And here is this spooky tree. Again, such a fun piece. For Christmas, we have a bunch of new dies here. We have this ice skating set, again, with all of the layering pieces and the fun little accent elements. We also have this, is it called a shaker ball? Those water globe balls. Anyways, these are so perfect for all seasons. Does not have to be just a Christmas die. I've seen them in Halloween versions as well, and they are the perfect little itty bitty shakers. They measure about 2 inches, and I do love that it comes with the layering base because it just gives it a little bit, your ability to, you know, create different colors. This bow is so cute. It is a snowflake bow, and I love this bow so much. It's gonna be my favorite for the holiday season, and I love the layering snowflakes and what you can do with this, and I'll show you my project in a little bit. We also have this adorable little layering stocking, and it comes with all of these fun elements, so you get to do so much with these dies. Now I'm going to show you what I've created, and I have these little embellishments. So I did take the drippy letters, spooky letters, and I wanted to create sentiments because I don't have many of like that spooky looking lettering. So I created some sentiments, and I made some pleated banners, and I took that layering spider web because I definitely wanted to give it a little bit of jazz. And I took this and the spider, and I cut it out of my new favorite cardstock, glitter cardstock from Michaels. It is so great for this Halloween season, and it just gives it that sparkle. So I did an eek and a boo, and I created one for a traditional Halloween and a pastel Halloween. I love the circle. I think it just kind of gives it that full moon vibe, and I thought these came out super cute. Next up, I have this adorable card, and I've been wanting to make a bunch of cards just to kind of have them in my stash, and I thought this was a great little 31 card, and this is using that spooky tree and that scenery, which is right here, this one here, and we have that spooky tree. It is a nice big size. So they cut out of that black glitter cardstock, so lovely. And then I added this chipboard piece from the Prima 31 collection. I thought it was the perfect addition with this felt boo that I did stitch, and then I just kind of added this full moon in the background. It just went well with the paper, and I thought this was a fun little card to send along with some boo mail. And then next up, I have this one, and I used the 2 dies with the gate and that little spooky house. So here's the gate die. I love this. It just kind of, it does such a great job behind mirrored cardstock, and this is some Tim Holtz silver cardstock. I've been loving silver with this Halloween season. I have no idea why. So I I think it's a great way to incorporate this. Silver is in for me this season, and I'm totally gonna incorporate it for Christmas as well. But I did add this lime green glitter cardstock behind the house because I wanted this house here. I wanted the house to just kind of pop. And I did add it up on some foam so it does stick out. And then I added a little ephemera piece that says October 31st on the bottom. Again, such a fun little Halloween card that I can have ready for some boo mail. Now, next up I created with the ornate kind of lacy number here. This is such a pretty die, and I wasn't really sure how to create an embellishment, so I created a bag topper. So you can see that here. I did take some jagged edged, like it's a die that I have in my stash, a very old die, and I sprayed it with some silver mist mica mist. And I love this mica mist. Again, with the silver, I've just been loving adding it to projects, and I just did a little stitching up top so I can just add just a little bit, but I didn't want to glue this down because I wanted you to be able to see it. And then I took that little ghosty that's going trick-or-treating or shopping and I just kind of layered him up to give him a little shadow. I have this little pleated banner and it says ghouls, ghosts, and goblins, and then I added these fun bubble jemmies from Hobby Lobby that I picked up this year. This one's another one. I did cut them out of acetate and you can kind of see the streaks of the glue. But I kind of thought I gave it like that little spookiness. This one says chills and thrills. Again, such a fun little bag topper that you can send along with your goodies to your pals. And again, perfect little lacy number. All right, let's do Christmas, you guys. These dies were so much fun. And I created this little embellishment with the ice skates. I love these ice skates. They're so pretty. You can kind of do some fun techniques here because it does have that little trim on the bottom with the Christmas trees. I went the traditional route with the silver bottoms and kind of like that brown sole area. I did layer up the snowflakes, but they cut like butter. I took some gold marker and just kind of went around the laces to give it a little bit of dimension. I made a little hanging element. I'm probably going to add this to a card or a tie, but I love this die so much. Okay, next up I have those little stockings. And again, they are so cute and itty bitty. And they come with a whole bunch of little layering pieces so you can have a lot of fun with this. I just went and I cut it out of 2 pieces of cardstock so it could be nice and thick. I took some white glitter foam and then just added this little flower on the side. Here I created a little poinsettia, obviously pink. And I love how these came out. I am using the new Christmas Sparkle collection. It does come with a lot of blue notes in it, which I'm learning to love as well. So we have those little mini embellishments. I think they're perfect for, you know, little embellishments that you want to create. And now, these were so much fun to create. So again, I'm using the Christmas Sparkle collection from Frank Garcia. And I created these little itty bitty shakers. I did use an image from the collection with that fun Santa Claus. I'm sorry for the glare, the acetate. Can't get away from it. And I did do this on some really thick foam that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And I added this little banner stickers because I am obsessed with banners and I thought it was such a cute little element. You can't decorate it too much because the embellishment is so tiny as it is. I did use some white glitter foam on top just to give it a little dimension, again with the silver because I've been obsessed with the silver. And I'm using my favorite blue and white, and it has little silver bits in it, buttons galore, and more sequins mixed inside. And I think they came out super cute. I am itching to play with Christmas now. I am ready to put away my Halloween stuff and get ready to do Christmas. Now for the bows, you guys, I wanted to create with both, so I used both snowflakes. So I'm going to show you this one first. I created some little itty bitty, and they are tiny, and I love the size of them. Again, let me measure them side to side. They are 1.25 inches, And yeah, they are such a cute, adorable little sizing, right? They are so pretty, so cute. And I love the snowflake. I think it just gives it that little, you know, much needed Christmas pop. And they're so itty bitty, but then I went and cut them with some foam. And then I tucked the sides of the snowflake, and it comes just like this. And I tucked them on the side right underneath the bow part. And I thought they were the sweetest little pink bows ever. They cut out of the felt really lovely, and just with a little dot of hot glue, they stayed on perfect. Again, with that white glitter foam, because I just think it gives a texture. There's, you know, it's just, there's a pop to it. So these were adorable, and they are going to be my new favorite die for the Christmas season. And that is it, you guys. That is it from my project share today. Thanks for watching. And again, I will leave product information down below if you are interested. And leave a comment if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching.